Hello, my name is Radix and welcome back to Satisfactory, and I thought I would just take a trip over here to show you my coal factory that I've been ever so slowly expanding. It isn't going to get any bigger than this. We're using the two nodes down there and these are full kind of belts that are coming across. To be fair, it's not that big. My truly sort of main factory was a lot bigger than this, but it is generating 4.8 gigawatts, I believe, of power. Yup. Beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, I thought I'd just come over here just to show you what I've been into. Oh, and these are batteries. These allow us to sort of go over our cap and not blow our circuits because it'll draw from them. So far, haven't needed them. Got it. These are so far away, it's not even rendering the smoke plumes. Or the chimney stack. Anyway. We have a few things that we need to do. We've got to get the Caterium up and running. We need to deal with the byproducts of the oil, turn that into fuel. We're not going to be doing diluted fuel. Even though I have the alternative recipe, we're not doing it. I'm going to wait until the next tier because it can all just get fed into one building. Because if you want to do it right now, you need to bottle the water and then put it into the machine, take those bottles, recycle them around. It's a headache, and like I said, you just get a blender next tier and that's it, you're done. So for us to finish the space project, we need Caterium computers and heavy frames. Of course, we're going to be doing everything that we can manufacture right now. So I will see you at the oil facility. Okay, we're here. So the reason why I need to get all these online is because we're going to be using a lot of rubber for one of my biggest builds, which is going to be the computer. Well, it's going to be all kinds. It's going to be computers, it's going to be crystal oscillators and a whole bunch of stuff in it. But because I'm using alternative recipes that require rubber, I need 10 foundries of rubber. And I'm only going to have a tiny itty bitty little bit left over. So we need to build our fuel facility, and I suppose we can get a bit of power out of it. It's going to be, I think, 8 fuel generators just from this. We could, I think it goes up to 30 with diluted, but we're not going that route. Not yet, at least. So it's coming out this side. I need a pipe available. So just remind me, that's where the pipe is. So don't concern ourselves with building here. It's also the wrong colour, but the idea is there. That's all that matters. Okay, so I suppose just to give us a bit more room, I've always found when it comes to building that 1, you need to build the right way, and 2, give yourself more room than you think. Because at the end of the day, you have this whole world, if I can bring up the map, this whole world to do whatever you want. Stop jamming everything close together. Be free. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So one of these is going to be. You know what? I'm going to stick the water underneath, and it will also set me up for diluted fuel later because I will rip all these out and convert them over to blenders eventually. And yes, we even have the recycled rubber and plastic if we want more of that. I mean, I could swing it back round. Actually, I won't have enough room there. I'd have to build a second floor to get more rubber and plastic. Anyway, that is future problem. We do have turbo fuel, which I want the blend variety, which unfortunately I don't unlock until next tier. So, fuel. Oh, can I remember how much? So 600. I think. Oh, you just. 600. Have I overcalculated it? Because the 300 residual fuel coming through here. No, it's 5. It is 5. What am I talking about? Come on, brain. Don't be dumb. So, these ones are going to. I'll have to calculate. I think it's 8 generators, but I'm not 100% sure. I also need to find power over here. I could just drag it along and just bring it up. I think that's what I'll do. So the first one's going to be super incredibly easy. Just stick it in. Like so. Also make sure it's coloured correctly, because for some reason I didn't select the right pipe. Okay. Do these need water? They do not. I'm sure there was one that needed water. Am I going insane? Like I said, I must be in the diluted fuel mode. Anyway. Are we selecting on the right one? We are. Alright, let's bring this over. So this is going to be dealing with all the oil residue that's come over there. Of course, we need to hook it up and everything. But I need to go do fuel generators. I'm going to have to try and gauge how much room I'm going to need. Luckily, this pipe work is super easy. Just like that, the pipe work is practically done, at least on this side. Can't hook it up yet because, well, no power. And nowhere for the fuel to go. But damn it, of course. Every single time there's just one off. Forever and always. Anyway, I'm going to get the rest done off camera, so be right back. Okay, you know what? Let's put that idea on hold because I need 14 generators just for this small amount here. Which means I'm running short on heavy modular frames. Oh goody. So, in that case, let's do the heavy modular frames first. That means I need... Oh, actually, did I already set this up? I kinda did. So this is going to be the most simplest one. You may think heavy modular frames are difficult to produce. They're not. I literally have everything available. So here we need... Why have I got 3? I don't need this many. Yeah, this one... I don't know why I put 3 here. So this one needs to be 6, 8.8. Actually, how far back do you go? Let me check. 78. So there we go. We've got all the path. We just need to combine them. So... Manufacturer. Oh, our first manufacturer. It's beautiful. You know what? I could actually not do anything fancy with you. I can just pull it all up from the ground. Yep, actually I can. Okay, so let's merge these together, put them in the factory. Actually, screw it. Bring it a little closer. You know, make it a little, you know, tighter. That should do. Actually, I don't think I even moved it. In my head, I did. That's what matters. So yeah. The one we're going for, the heavy and careful ones, trust me, this is the base one for this. It's garbage. Look at the amount of screws you need. This beautiful recipe, goodbye screws. And everything else we have. Let's just plug you in. And then from here... Well, actually, we need to get the steel up. I produced a little extra. As a matter of fact, I think you should be able to see it from here. Oh yeah, and these are more measurements. This is where I'm going to be doing my boards. So as you can see, I've added 2 floors to this and just expanded it. Unfortunately, we're back to the old problem. We don't have fast enough belts. You know what? Since I can't be asked bringing this down, we will just put a box for it. It's what I did with these before I brought it down. Laziness. Well, like I said, I just want to get everything up and running. Need a splitter. Which little steel needed. Go underneath. Alright, what mess are we dealing with? It's unfortunate. Well, you don't see it. And if you don't see it, it's not a problem. It's gonna line up. Nice. Wasn't planned. It's fine. Oh my god, my cat, I swear, as soon as I start recording, here she is, and if I don't let her on, she'll cry at me until she gets what she wants. You're a spoiled brat, that's what you are. And I'm the one to blame. I'm not going to need Mark III, it's just... I don't know. Something's wrong with me. Just do it anyway. Come on. You know, I really should use walkways instead of ladders because I may or may not have fallen to my death. I edited it out so you know, thought I was a better player than I actually am. Here's me admitting my sins. Alright, this also needs power. Oh, I forgot something. Actually, No. We need to hook it all up first before we power it up. All these should be able to come from down below. Yeah, just hook it up there. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these three things and shoving them in there. And also apparently shooting them. None of these needs to be any other belt than Mark 1, but I'm running out of conveyor belts. Such is life. I just brought these up because I was unsure where I was going to put it. I was thinking maybe more down there, but you know, we've got a whole bunch of other machines. And the big project I'm thinking of doing, I might have to do it on a completely separate floor. I might do it in a different factory. You just gonna go straight in? Of course you're not. Well, we know it's a sticky now at least. I was eyeballing it. My eyeballs are not good. Alright, one of the components done. Second one. And last but not least, the concrete. That I do not have the parts for. Ugh. You know what? I'm too lazy to go down and grab my plates. There, done. We just need to power the sucker now. Oh well. That's fine. Everything's fine. I did want him to go straight into the machine, but you know. These things, they happen. Just out of curiosity, this is correct, right? 20 here. 13.756. Yep. Just need to wait for it to catch up. And I've got the back done, right? I hate everything. Every single time I have to redo everything. You think I would learn just to line things up? Oh, and look, the cat now doesn't want to lay on me because you've seen a bug or something. So, Caterium. This is going to be our Caterium factory, and it's going to be, I believe, 10 of these. We're also going to mix it with the water down below to get even more. And yes, we're going to need this much Caterium. Totally not going to overkill whatsoever. I think it's 330 for what I want to do. Although I could do the circuit boards whilst we wait for this to fill up. Yeah, I'll run down to Caterium. So, figuring out how I'm going to do this, I went down below and put up sort of where our water thing's going to come up. I need to dodge this little hole right here in the ground because that is geothermal. We will eventually be using geothermal power. It's not great, but at the end of the day, it's free power. You just need to build the thing on top of it. So from here, what we're going to use is the pure Caterium ore, which is going to take how many pumps? Let me check. It's 480, which is 124 pumps. Yeah, so we're going to need 4 pumps down here. But first things first, let us build the actual machine, and we need 20 of these in total. Oh, I might not have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We probably, yeah, looking at that, actually we might. No, we don't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, look at that, it actually measures out pretty well. Do I want to keep it like this? We can always expand it out if needed. Yeah, we definitely don't have enough. Oh, God. We have to go run back to the thing. It's fine. It's fine. You will see it. I will. And that's the unfortunate thing. I bet we're going to be one off. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I hate my life. We need more pipes. Be right back. You know, when I start losing my patience, I start building like shit. Anyway, we managed to get our stuff. So let us put the last one in. And then from here, I'm not going to do all the pipe work just yet. I'm going to go down below. Probably break our legs. Because I don't know if that water's deep enough for me to jump off of here. But we'll find out together, won't we? And these should line up, yeah. Yep. Alright, question is this water deep enough? It is. Great. Huh. Box? What are you doing here? Concrete? Sure. Come on. Okay, so how many was it? 4? It's 4. So 4 big boy water pumps. Oh, for a second there, I got a little nervous. I thought, hang on, do I have enough? And I also have to make sure there's actually room down here. Maybe I might build this a little differently than I was initially going to. Maybe, yeah, instead of going out there, why don't we just go straight out? We'll dodge this by tucking these as far in here as we can. And I guess out there. And this side, I'm not even going to be, oh, I should measure these, shouldn't I? Yeah, you're a little closer. I'll say about there. Like I said, I'm just eyeballing it. When it comes to water extractors, I can't be arsed measuring them. Even though, looking at this, the left side is a little out, I suppose. You know what, let's just measure them like this. I'm sure there's a better way, but it's my life now. Let the nozzle touch. I hate my life. Sometimes I hate it. There, I'm measuring. It's perfect. Still technically by eyeball, but I have one kit. You know what? The game says it goes there, therefore it goes there. I mean, it's close enough. Game, we need to talk. We need to talk about your measurements. But mine, whatever. Whatever. Just get them in. Just put them down. Get them in. So the question is, do I want to use a Mark II just to have a single pipe and for it to look sexy? I think yes. Yes, we should. You know, there's times like this where I really, really miss my hover pack. Oh, these are annoying to do without just being able to float in the air. And yeah, I could because I have power here and everything. Ugh. Next tier, don't worry about it. As soon as you get aluminium, everything will be a-okay. Because you're either going to do a completely different aluminium build, you're going to actually be using coke and combining it together so that you can eliminate silica out of the process. Alright, so water should be flowing, thank you. And we just now need to hook everything upstairs. Huh. Well, actually, I need to do the pumps as well. I almost forgot. You know what, we'll stick one here. Oh, look, Lily's back. Hello. You want to lay on me? There you go. So this should mark out where I need it. The next one, because it's one pump going to do this. Let's power it first. By power it, break our legs. Is that it? Are you just a little off? Oh, please don't tell me you're just very slightly off and I'm going to have to put you on. Okay. Understandable. Okay, which way are you going? I can't see. You're going down. Incorrect. I really like putting them here because it just keeps things nice and tidy. But this should... I need to check. This should get it all the way up. Even though they're Mark II pumps, this is a long way. Because for some reason I like building in space. And hey look, it's almost like it lines up perfectly. It is done. Of course there's nowhere for this to go right now. But, like I said, this is prep work because we're going to be needing about 165 of this. Now, all this only produces 240. All this. It's pretty nuts. I mean, I could have done it normally. But why not? I mean, this is all the Caterium we're going to need. Because I believe it's either sulfur or another Caterium up there. Actually, let's just check. It's there. Yeah, there is another Caterium. But yeah. We didn't need it. I believe there is a sulfur somewhere up there. Or maybe I'm wrong. Oh, so this is all the sulfur we have. I'm going to have to be careful with it. Oh, wait, no, there is another one up there. Okay, never mind. What purity are you? You are normal. Okay, good, good, good. Right, so, shall we check? Oh, it's going to take me a little bit to get there. Yes, 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 I know the 1 mile's over there. Sulfur's one of those resources that I do struggle to get. But let us... I really should just expand you all the way up. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. Because the amount of times I've gone around the back of my factory... it's too damn much. And I really need to get hypertubes. I say this every single time. Hypertubes I really, really need. Yeah, we can see it from there. So, this... So we need... How many was it? It was 14 in total. Alright, I want to see... Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. We have enough. Aren't you a cute, sexy machine, you? And ladders. Ladders are for bitches. Oh, wait. I need to get mortars. Quick white. Oh, God. I will see you by the power plant. I need to grab everything. Okay, we're back. So for the correct spacing for this, we're going to need 4 rows of 6. I hope I have enough room. Actually, I want this side to be lined up to the platform, which means you're going to have to be there. We'll leave a gap for our pipes and then move you over. So it connects like... No. Connects like so. You know what? Bollocks to it. I'm just doing 2 rows. So this one needs to be underclocked by... because there's 13 here, 33.333334. Repeating, of course. Basically 50 megawatts. Okay, so we just need to pipe it and power it. I suppose I could do Mark II. And the belt's coming through the middle, so I guess we'll just have it here. How many generators can I put in this? A lot. I only need 2 of these. Yep. Hopefully the wire is long enough. Of course, just slightly too long. But yeah, we don't really need this power. Honestly. Oh, wait, did I miss one over here? I might have done. Oh god, okay. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, okay, I see why. I understand. Goes up to there. I don't know why I'm being so sort of precise with it, because this isn't permanent. It's literally here to burn. I'm going to the wrong one. It's literally here just to burn the sort of byproduct of that oil. Come on, save. Thank you. So how am I going to get this down? Oh. I guess we just swing it round the back. Because I actually decided to put the power on the side of this. For some reason. Why? I don't know. I haven't done it before. Come on. I had you before. There we go. Oh, so we'll be able to connect this soon. It's going to be beautiful. The only thing I need to sort out before we finish this up is the package fuel. And we're going to need a disposal thing. We need this to be continuously flowing. So I'll be right back once I've piped all this up, and then we can go on to the next thing. I think we're ready to now switch over to our main disposal of, you know, the heavy oil. So what I've done here, super simple, just got a bit of plastic just so that we can make, what they call again, other containers. Oh, this is why we check. So yeah, empty containers, they're going to go into here, combine with fuel and have package fuel, and any leftover will get destroyed because this needs to be continuously running. This is a thing with oil. You must keep it going at all times. So let us just delete all this because it's not needed now. We'll get rid of these in a moment. Because it's time now. Come on. Can I get it clean looking-ish? Kinda. Close enough. We also need to colour that pipe or it will bother me. Right. Goodbye. Oh, look at all this room we have. We also can get rid of these. What are you connected to? Nothing important. So we can also... That's powered. You're gone. Oh, good. Good. It's finally nice to get all this done. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this space. I could have actually put the packager down here. Oh well. Not changing it now. It's sorted. It's done. So this should now be flowing. Yeah, I'm going to have to make sure that these are plugged in and everything's okay. Not too bad to be fair. And we're going to be deleting this platform once everything's done. Oh, I need to do the floor. So yeah, these are slowly now filling up. They're going to take a little bit because they need to... Ooh, actually, there's one thing that I should do. Nice a buffer, because you never know. I found when it comes to generators, the buffers are really, really useful. Because they seem to be a bit... what can I say about them? They're odd. Just like with anything with liquid. I not have noodle. There we go. Nice, clean, sharp 90 degree. Perfect. So yeah, that's the only word I can describe. Are we starting? We're slowly getting there. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit for this to fill up, but once the overflow happens, you know, and everything collects. See, for some reason it wants to flow this way first. Huh. Ah well. The fuel is now done, sorted. We can basically ignore it and we'll grab... Alright, good, you are straight. For a second I thought you weren't. We can grab any fuel we need. I mean, we can go and unlock the jetpack once that's filled up. But eventually all this is going to be going over this way. Same with the fuel. And I'm going to put it in containers over there. But that's future problem. Now, we need to start collecting together. Well, you know what? Let's do the boards. We'll see what time I have, and if I don't, we'll do it in the next episode. Because I want to get everything prepped in this one. To make sure that we have, you know, all our stuff. All our ducks in order, or whatever it's called. Alright, I checked the time. We don't have enough. We simply do not have enough time. So next time what we're going to be doing is computers, high-speed connectors, crystal oscillators, and probably some other sort of leftover bits and bobs. Oh, and in case you haven't seen it, made the floor nice and shiny. So we will continue this sort of next episode. Yeah, I think I'm going to be getting the quartz done first, and then from there, probably the boards. I'm not entirely sure, but we've got a lot to do. But at least we have this up and running, and that was the main thing. But until then, guys, bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, I stream on Twitch, so come say hello. Or don't. I can't really control you.